Okay, so you can see that it's on. It's getting power. So you can see that. You can see the light blinking. What's not happening is it's not pulling any water. It doesn't pull any water through the reservoir. So you can see how it's just sitting there. And it does pull a little water up into the stem. I think that just does that automatically when you put water in the reservoir and then put it on the unit. But it's not doing anything. And what we think is the problem is that little attachment right there. You can see how it looks a little fried right there. We think that might be the problem, is that it looks fried. All the other attachments look really clean, but that looks fried. So we'll give it a minute. Usually it's really quick, which was one of the things we loved about it, is that it was so quick. You know, as you advertise, makes coffee in like 5 minutes. But now it's not doing anything. It doesn't do anything, and we're pretty sure it's probably that little attachment being fried. So you can see, you know, we're 1 minute and 28 seconds, 29, 30 seconds through, and it's not doing anything. And when it stopped working, it made about half a pot of coffee and then it stopped. We just noticed that all of a sudden the rest of it wouldn't come through. And so we're now 1 minute 47 seconds in, and no coffee. So 2 minutes in, it should be pulling water from the reservoir by now. It should have already pulled water from the reservoir, and it's not doing anything. And again, you can see by the blinking light that it has power. Definitely has power to it, but it won't pull any water through the reservoir. Everything's there, everything's in its right spot. But not pulling any water. It's not even trying. It's not making any noise like it normally did to try to pull that water out of there and heat it up through the heating element. Yeah, it's just not doing anything. Just sort of sitting there. And again, there's that little, what we think is the fried element down there. See how that's discolored? We think that's probably the culprit. So there you have it. We're about 3.5 minutes into what should already be the brewing cycle, and it's not doing anything.